Hi guys, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So in today's video, I am going to talk about this lip sleeping mask from the brand Laneige. So before getting into the product details, I just want to share a few basic things like what exactly sleeping mask is. A lip sleeping mask is a mask for your dry, dehydrated and chapped lips which you apply overnight and wash it off next day. And if I talk about Laneige as a brand, then Laneige is a Korean skincare brand. They have a wide range of skincare and they are known to have some amazing sleeping care products just like sleeping face mask, sleeping eye mask and sleeping lip mask. If you are interested in knowing more about this brand, then I will put the link of their website in the description box so you can check that out. So let's come over to the product. So this lip sleeping mask come in three flavor. One is berry, one is grapefruit and the third is apple lime. Currently I am having this berry flavor and it also comes in two different sizes. One is 8 gram and the other one is 20 gram. And I am having 8 gram. I will suggest if you are buying this for the very first time, go for the smaller version instead of going for a 20 gram tub. So this 8 gram of lip sleeping mask retail for 500 rupees. I have put the purchase link in the description box. If you are planning to buy or if you are interested in buying, you can check that out. If I talk about the key ingredient of this mask, then it has some amazing butter. For example, it has shea butter, it has muru seed butter and it also has glycerin. Both the butter and glycerin is known to provide hydration and moisturization. This sleeping mask also has some amazing waxes like bee wax. It has microcrystalline wax and again all these waxes are known to provide hydration to your skin. It also has a fruit extract like strawberry, cranberry and raspberry. All these fruit extract are loaded with vitamin C and it has a lot of antioxidant which makes your dry, rough, chapped lips smooth and hydrated. Using this lip sleeping mask is really easy. What you have to do is you have to take a spatula which comes with 20 gram pack. This 8 gram pack does not have any spatula, so you can use your finger. What you have to do, you have to apply a thick layer of this mask over your lips. You have to leave it like that and next day you can either wash it off with normal water or you can wipe it off with cotton pad, whatever the residue left. Now the question comes that what exactly the use of this sleeping mask or why we need this kind of sleeping mask in our lives. So as I already mentioned that this sleeping mask is loaded with all the ingredient which is known to provide hydration and moisturization to your skin. So this mask gently melts away all the dead skin from your lips and makes your lips very plump, hydrated and moisturized. So if you have dry, chapped and dehydrated lips, then you can definitely give it a try. But one thing which I want to add, that if you have normal lips, if you don't have very dry, very chapped or very dehydrated lips, you don't need to shell out your money on this particular product. The reason is you can go for some normal basic lip balm or maybe you can try Vaseline. That will work in a same way. Also, I would like to add a very important point here that result of this sleeping mask is not long lasting. So once you stop using this mask, your lips will come back to its normal condition or maybe from where you have started. So if I talk about my experiences with this sleeping mask is I don't have a very dry, chapped or dehydrated lips because I have heard a lot of hype about this brand and this product. So I thought of giving it a try and I find it a very normal basic lip balm instead of lip sleeping mask. So will I repurchase this? No, I am not going to shell out my money on this because it's just a lip balm worth 500 rupees. So if you'll ask my recommendation, so if you want to treat the dryness and the flakiness of your lips, you can definitely go for it. But if you have a very normal condition of your lips, I will not suggest going for this. This is it for today's video. I hope you have liked my video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Insta. Like this video, share this video, keep on supporting and keep on watching. Till then, take care and bye-bye.